Hello guys, this is Aziz Idris and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are at Achimota, right behind the mall. Today we are at JL Properties, the city's best real estate developer with quality structural works and best finish. Their properties ranges from 2-bedroom house to 4-bedroom house. Most of them are located right behind the Achimota Mall. The prices of the houses range from $2,000 to $360,000, but you can decide to make 50% payment and the remaining 50% will be spread within a year for your own convenience. The location is well demarcated with excellent plumbing and drainage systems. You can contact them on the number displayed on the screen. There are over 100 houses which are ready to be sold out. Most of the houses are very spacious and you can park between 4 to 5 cars in this particular house here. The reinforcement has been properly arranged according to the structural detailing and specifications with 50 mm covers for 1.5 hour fire resistance. With JL Properties, you always have access to quality water and electricity. Please comment, like and subscribe for amazing contents like this. Thank you.